friends, this is live designer Vijay Tushar at the beach session, and you are
Aditya Kannan.
and you are, what's your name? Diyan Mehta.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So I'm sharing with you a story. We were talking about Pandavas and the Kauravas from Ramayana. No, not from Ramayana, from Mahabharata. Okay, so you know who are the 5 kings, the Pandava kings?
I know only one.
Who's that?
Arjuna.
Arjuna. Okay, so the eldest was Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir. So he was known to be a person who's very honest and dharmadikari. उसको बोलते थे. So successful and he's rich and he's true. Okay. Then the second one was Yudhishthir. Then we had Bhim. Bhim is the, you know the Bhim?
Bhim. He was
Bhim वो गदा के साथ में आता है ना Bhim.
He was powerful.
He was powerful, very huge
and
strong. Okay.
There is a story on Bhim as a cartoon. उसमें ना Bhim का
हाँ छोटा Bhim. Okay, so let me finish the story. Then the third one is Arjuna, which you talked about. What do you know about Arjuna?
He was a good fighter.
Yes, and
he was also
he was very good in archery. Yes, so he would hit the target. I mean exceptionally well, and he was an expert at that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the third one is Arjuna. The fourth one is Nakul. And the fifth one is Sahadev. Okay. So now what happened is all of them, they went to a jungle. And when they went to the jungle, there was a cave. So in the night, they had to stay by the cave because it was very dark. So what all of them decided, that one person will sit as a guard and remain awake, others will go to sleep. Then after some time, another person will come and they will go on taking turns. Okay. So when they will, so they will take turns and they will sit guard for the others. So the first one, the youngest one, that is Sahadev. Correct? So Sahadev was waiting outside, and at that time, after some time, there was a small, like this baby, this small dog that came. And that dog said that, I want to fight you. So Sahadev said, what rubbish, you're so small. How can you fight me? So he said, okay, fine. So as he started fighting, the dog started becoming bigger and bigger. The dog started becoming bigger and bigger. And then he literally crushed Sahadev and tied him by the rope, and he was falling down there. So after some time, Nakul came. So he said, who did this to you? So he said, there was, nobody did. I just felt like tying myself and I put myself down. So I said, okay, no problem. He removed him. He said, you go and sleep. Now I will take guard. Again, this dog comes and tells Nakul, tells him, I want to fight you. So Nakul said, what rubbish, you are such a foolish fellow. You are not going to do anything to me. Okay, come, we'll fight. Then what happens is, they started to fight. Then again, as he started fighting, the dog became bigger and bigger.
Stone.
So it started becoming bigger and bigger. Then what must have happened? Again he was tied down, same thing. Then next Arjun comes and then what happens?
The dog comes.
And then?
It tells that I'm going to fight you.
So Arjun thinks, oh my god, I am the greatest archer. What can this fellow do for me? Correct? So then he started fighting. And again the same thing happened. The dog became bigger and bigger, and it actually tied Arjun and went away. Okay. Then what happened? Then who came? Bhim. Again same thing happened. After that who came? Yudhishthir. Again same thing happened. Now Krishna comes out. Krishna is with them. So Krishna comes out and Krishna asks Yudhishthir. And Yudhishthir is never going to tell a lie. So Yudhishthir says, yes, there was a dog that came and tied me down. And as I started fighting it actually became bigger and bigger and tied me down. So Krishna says, no problem. Krishna says, okay, fine, no problem. I will wait outside as a guard. You go and sleep now. So Yudhishthir goes inside to sleep, and then Krishna is waiting there. So this dog comes, and the dog says, I want to fight you. So Krishna says, okay, you can. And he starts becoming bigger and bigger. At that time Krishna says, you can tie me up. You don't have to fight me. I will allow you to tie me up. So the moment he says that, the dog becomes smaller and smaller, shorter and shorter, shorter and shorter. He becomes so small that Krishna takes him up like a puppet and ties him to his pitambari. He has that shawl, no, that he has, and ties it onto that, and he ties it and he's sitting aram se. By the time it's morning, everybody gets up and they ask, Arey Krishna, what do you have with you? Did not the drop come? So Krishna says, no, he came, but I allowed him to hit me, and I told him, okay, I won't fight you, you can hit me. So they ask him, that is why he became smaller. So Krishna says, yes, this dwarf is nothing but your anger. Are you understanding? The more you start getting scared and you start fighting your anger, the more violent it becomes, and the more it traps you to lose your goodness. Are you getting me? So you should try to fight, not fight your anger. Respect your anger and know, okay, I am feeling angry, but I am not going to use my anger to hit anybody else. Because I know when I do that, I will be tied up. Right? I will be insulted, I will be hurt by others if I use my anger against others. So I hope this was a wonderful learning for you. This is life designer Biji Tushar from this beautiful beach at Aksa Beach in India. Stay blessed and wait for such beautiful stories from me. Thank you.